Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And this week, if you see, Nifty continues to move up, Bank Nifty also continues to move up over here, but Bank Nifty in the end taking a little bit of resistance from this area after filling the gap basically in the daily chart. If you can see, yes, after filling the gap, Bank Nifty taking a little bit of resistance, Nifty closing at an all-time high, right? So yes, bullish, the closing is still bullish for both the indices, but if you see, it looks like Nifty is not really looking very strong over here, because as I said, this week the market should start moving up very fast, right? But the market has still not moved very fast. Does that mean that we are becoming bearish from here or something? No, not really. But we need to understand at what places will the bullishness get over, and at what places will the market start consolidating. Maybe the market might consolidate over here for a while and then start to blow up. Same thing with Nifty also. Maybe Nifty might take a little bit of pullback, then start to go up, right? So this week it looks like, first of all, the first day or two will be very important to determine where this week will, or how this week will be, right? Will we see a consolidation in the market? Will we see a little bit of pullback and then an up move, right? Will we continue? Will we see the continuation of this up move? So again, in weekly charts, Bank Nifty looks pretty good, right? But still not really ultra bullish over here. But yes, Bank Nifty looks good. Nifty also looks sort of good, but you know, if you see, the momentum is not really going very great in Nifty. Talk about, you know, if we talk about the bulls, right? So again, not really a bearish sign as of now, but if we, you know, start opening with a gap down, if we start moving down fast, then it won't take time for Nifty to also give us a very good correction on the downside. Again, what can we do for tomorrow is going to be very simple. Now let's go into the 15-minute chart and see what exactly can we do for tomorrow, right? Talking about the daily charts, Bank Nifty has taken a little bit of resistance from this area. So best thing would be to not take a long position over here at higher levels. We'll wait for a little bit of pullback near these support zones, and then we will think about taking a bullish position from there. Because if you see, the FNO data is also a little bit negative. So again, taking a position at higher levels is not really a good idea. Rather, if we see that the market is taking good resistance from higher levels, maybe after opening with a small gap up or something, then also we will think about taking a selling position in the market, right? Please do not go ahead and take a long position at higher levels until unless some major levels are crossed, right? And again, I will tell you those major levels also. Please don't worry about that. But yes, do not take very bullish positions at higher levels. Best thing would be to take bullish positions at lower levels, right? Like 47,500, 400, 300, all these levels. These are very good support zones, and from here then we can take a bullish position. But at higher levels, taking a bullish position doesn't really seem like a good idea over here, right? So again, what can we do for Monday is going to be very simple. Now 48,000 is going to be very important. Actually 48,000 to 48,050 is going to be an important level. If after opening on Monday we are sustaining at higher levels, that means we are going down but we are again coming back up, going down, coming back up, that means then it looks like the market may not be ready to go down very fast over here, right? Maybe then again market might consolidate over here. But yes, on the upside, 48,150 will be an important level. But again, I would suggest not taking a bullish trade over there, because if you see, there are good resistance on the upside also. So market will not go continuously up over here per se, right? If we get a little bit of pullback and then if the market can go up, that will be the best thing. So again, if we are taking a bullish trade at higher levels, best thing would be to keep your quantity a little low. So for tomorrow, again, market will need to consolidate at higher levels for a little while, and then if we break out, then only can we take a good bullish trade. So for tomorrow, I think taking a bullish trade at higher levels will not really be a better idea, while at lower levels we can think about taking a bullish trade, right? But again, one thing that you can do before going at lower levels is below 48,000, 47,750. If we start sustaining for, let's say, 10 minutes below 47,750 and we are seeing market holding firmly below 47,750, that is when we can go ahead and take a short trade over here till 47,500 on the downside. We can take this bearish trade over here because it looks like the market will give us a little bit of pullback at lower levels, because the market is not really looking very strong over here, right? Same thing for Nifty also. Again, If we open with a small gap down also over here, then market will become a little bit negative at least for tomorrow, right? So I hope that is very clear for you guys. Nifty is also looking bullish, but again, as we said in the weekly charts, it's not really ultra bullish over here, right? As I said, market should move up very fast from here, but market is not moving up very fast. That means the buyers are also looking a little bit exhausted over here. So again, we will not take a bullish trade at higher levels. Best thing would be to wait for a dip and then take a bullish trade. So again, 47,300 will be a very important level to watch out for in the coming week. If 47,300 is broken, again, keep a slack of 100 points, right? So 47,200 will be a safe, you can say safely that below 47,200 things will become things will start becoming bearish. So if below 47,000, if market starts sustaining below 47,300, then we will see a bearish trend in the market, or at least a sideways trend, right? We will then not see market continuing to move up, right? So this level is going to be very important. This zone is going to be very important. If market starts sustaining below this zone, then chances are market will see at least a sideways momentum or a bearish momentum, right? Maybe you might not get bearish outright after breaking this level, but yes, then the bullishness will get over and things will start to at least not be very bullish in the market, right? So I hope that is very clear for you guys. But for tomorrow, as I said, below this level, if we start sustaining, even let's say even for 5 minutes we start sustaining and start making negative price action, you can still go ahead and take a short trade over here till 47,500 on the downside, right? Again, important level will be this level over here, 47,580 to 600 in futures, right? This level is going to be very important, and once this level comes in basically in futures, just look at where Bank Nifty is. Most probably Bank Nifty will be near 47,400 to 350. At this level, if you are saying that market is taking a very good rejection, right, like something like this over here, if market is taking very good rejection over here, then that means market can again take support from here and then start to move up, right? Maybe market might revolve in this basically range of 47,400 to 48,000 for maybe a day, 2 or 3 days, and then break out on the upside, right? So again, if we see at lower levels near 47,400 to 300 in this 100-point range, if you're saying that market is taking very good support and making positive price action, that is when you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade again, right? Till higher levels, 47,800 will be your first target, and then 48,000. But these targets will not come in 48,000 at least will not come in one day. You can easily get a good move till 47,700 to 800, right? But if you want to take a long position on positional basis, then I mean, if you are thinking that market still has some momentum left on the upside, then best level would be this, where you can initiate long positions on positional basis, because then you will get a small stop loss, and if the market blows up from here, we can easily expect 49,000 also. So you will get a very good risk to reward over here, right? Talking about Nifty, yeah, talking about Nifty over here in the daily charts, if you see, Nifty has made a little bit of a, you can say a hammer candle over here. So again, below this level, below this hammer candle level, below this level, basically the low, that is when we'll see a little bit of weakness coming in Nifty, and we can get an easy 100 points momentum on the downside. So 22,430 will be a very important level to watch out for tomorrow. If we start sustaining below that level and start making negative price action, then we can expect the market to move down till 22,320 to 340 on the downside. Let's take 22,340. That is the level that we can easily see the market coming down till for tomorrow, and then maybe the market might take support from there and then start moving up, or the market might slide down a little bit more till 22,240, which is another good support for Nifty, right? So as of now also, things have not become bearish, right? Please keep that in mind. It looks like the market is getting weak, but that does not mean that things have started to become bearish, right? Please keep that in mind. Just because I'm saying that if market goes below this level, that level, the bullishness will get over, that does not mean that you get outright bullish, right? Wait for your chance, wait for the price action. If we have to get very bearish also, we will know that in the charts itself, right? We will know that in the charts, and then we can take action accordingly. So again, 22,200 level will be very important for, actually 22,240 to 250 will be a very important zone for Nifty. If we go below that zone and close for one day, then chances are market will give us another 3 to 400 points of correction till this level, basically 21,900. I'm sorry, it might be a little bit upside, maybe not 3 400, maybe 250 300, whatever levels. But I hope that is clear for you guys, right? Market then can give us a little bit of good correction at lower levels, right? So again, I hope that is clear for you guys also, and I hope that tomorrow's plan is very clear. At higher levels, you can take a bullish trade about 22,520 in Nifty if you open flat and start crossing, but please keep your quantity less, right? And again, even if you're keeping your quantity high, keep your stop loss tight. Do not let do not let your losses run. If it is looking like Nifty is not holding higher levels, it's best to square off your position, book some profit, whatever. But the way Nifty is looking over here, right? The sort of price action that Nifty has made, it's not really very, inviting for buyers over here. So I would rather wait for a pullback in Nifty and Bank Nifty and then take a long position for big targets, right? But again, about 22,520, if we start crossing and holding 22,520 for 5 minutes, then you can go ahead and take a bullish trade till 22,600 on the upside. So I hope that is clear for you guys. If we open with a very big gap down, let's say below 20, near 20,400 itself, then also we can wait for just a little bit of pullback till 22,430 to 420 levels. And then once we start seeing market taking rejection from there or making negative price action, that is when we can again go ahead and take a short trade from there, right? Please do not take a short trade if, let's say, market opens near 22,400, goes till 22,380 in the first few minutes itself, and then you are taking a short trade. Please do not do that. You will get stuck in volatility and probably hit your stop loss, right? Same thing for Bank Nifty also. If you're not getting a trade, it's best to stay on the sidelines for a day, right? But do not force yourself to take a trade, right? So I hope that is very clear for you guys. And yeah, guys, that was it for today. If this week we do not hold higher levels, chances are market will go into a correction from next week, right? But again, price action will be very important. How the market is holding, where the market is closing, all of that will also need to be watched carefully, right? So again, I hope that is clear for you guys, and I hope tomorrow's analysis is also very clear for you guys, right? So again, thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.